So let's talk about conjunctivitis. Okay, that's pink eye. Now, nothing that I say in here is meant to replace your medical care. Check with your doctor before taking any of this advice. Now, this condition could be viral or could be bacterial. The bacterial infections tend to be higher in young children, but not always. It could be viral. So what I want to do is just focus on the viral cause to this condition. The symptoms are itchiness, watery eyes, red eyes, swollen eyelids, burning eyes, light sensitivity. So what we're dealing with about 60 to 90% of the time is a virus called the adenovirus. This is the same virus behind the common cold. And there's really no medical treatments to cure this virus, FYI. And there's 50 different strains of it. So usually what happens is you're susceptible to it, your immune system is weakened, and you get exposed to it somehow, and it gets into the eye and it creates the inflammation. So conjunctivitis is inflammation of the conjunctiva. Now what is that? That is the membrane on the outside of your eyeball, as well as the inside of your eyelid. Okay, and it gets all red and swollen. It's highly contagious, and it can be contagious for 10 to 12 days. And so you rub your eye, you get infected, and now you have an infection. It could last between 1 and 3 weeks. Now, what can you do about this? Is there anything? Well, yes, there is something that can help this, and it's zinc, okay? 50 milligrams per day. Now, the thing about zinc is that zinc helps to decrease the reproduction of the virus. So the problem is, if you're taking zinc too late in the chain of events, it may not do much to the virus because the virus is already into its reproduction cycle, because zinc actually reduces the reproduction of the virus. So if you take it too late in the chain, the virus is already reproduced. It's creating chaos in the body. However, there's other benefits to zinc in other parts of the immune system. Ideally, you want to take the zinc right away. So if there are people that have colds around you, for example, start taking zinc. That would be a good thing to take. Or if you just start seeing the pink eye, start taking it immediately, because the faster you take it, the better you can actually slow down this process and speed up the recovery. So the other thing you want to do is just support the body with natural things and good eating, and let it run its cycle, because as soon as you start suppressing some of the symptoms, guess what? The duration of that infection potentially could be longer and longer. All right, thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.